Hey guys, I have here today the 2014 BMW M5. It is the black sapphire metallic. In this video we'll be covering the exterior as well as the interior, special features of the car, start up to the engine, the exhaust note, and many more. The BMW M5 is a high performance version of the BMW 5 Series, built by Motorsport division of BMW. Alright, let's get into the vehicle, get it started up, and let's see how it sounds. Alright, as you enter the vehicle, you'll see a lot of silver aluminum trim throughout the car. And here we have the illuminated door sill. Push button ignition. Let's pop the hood and see what's in it. Alright, under the hood we have 4.4 liter V8 direct injection engine, 552 horsepower at 6,000 RPM with 502 feet-pound of torque. It is a 7-speed automated manual transmission, rear-wheel drive. In the back, you see the LED integrated tail lamp, M5 logo, and the quad round chrome tip exhaust. Up front you see the beautiful xenon adaptive headlight with dynamic auto leveling, Corona headlight rings and cornering light, with retractable high intensity headlight washer, shadow line exterior trim, rain sensing windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Here is the specific M5 fender and the 19-inch star spoke, fork light alloy wheels, the car does have self-close automatic door if you fail to close it. And here's the sticker to the car. It has driver assistant package, lightning package, and executive package. Beautiful headlight.
John Brett 253, John 253.
Here is the M5 specific double grille with the M5 logo on it. The steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather. Big navigation screen with dual climate control, double cup holder, ashtray, center storage compartment, a lot of aluminum trim throughout the car, glove compartment, M5 ventilated and heated seat, one touch button sunroof opener, vanity light with Alcantara headliner, also that's the shifter on the steering wheel. Here's the gearbox, up for reverse, down for drive. There's multi-function control on both sides of the steering wheel. Enormous navigation screen. This particular model does have Bang & Olufsen sound system, and the sound quality is very crystal clear. At the gearbox, you can change the suspension setting, as well as your steering wheel setting, and all the performance setting to the car, like race control, launch control, sport mode, eco mode, stuff like that. Alright, let's go into the back and see how it is in the back. The back, you can easily fit 3 adult, full-size adult in the back easily. There is a control center for the rear. Alright, here's my personal perspective from the rear seat. Alright, I'm 5'9" and I have a lot of leg room, a lot of headroom. So for a taller individual, you're probably gonna have a lot of space in the back and will be pretty comfortable.
Brian 202.
Alright, in the back armrest there is 2 cup holder in the storage compartment. There is sunshade on the rear door, on both door, and the rear glass to block some of the sun out from coming in. Here is the closer look at the sunshade. And the Bang & Olufsen speakers. Alright, let's get back into the front. All doors are fully automatic, and the 2 front seats both have 20-way power front and multi-contour seats with 4-way lumbar support, articulated upper backrest, adjustable thigh support, passenger seat memory and active head restraint with adjustable side support. Include memory system for driver and front passenger seats, 3-way memory seating, steering wheel and outside mirrors. This car make a really good family sedan. Alright, let's get back to the front driver side. All 4 windows are fully automatic. One touch button. 3-way memory seating. Tire extension. Very large trunk. With this one touch button closed.